Hello, you are welcome to Ben Ambitious Inventions YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download Dev C++, a programming software. So to start, go to your web browser and open it. So I'm using Google Chrome. So when you open Google Chrome, then you go to the search bar. So when you enter the search bar, then you type Dev C++, DEV, then C++. Then you click on Dev C++ download. You left click on it. Then you wait for it to load. So after loading, you will see the first one. So the first link is where you download it. Dev C++ download. You left click on it. Then you wait for it to open. So when we click on the download, it will automatically begin to download. So this is it. It is downloading here. So the Dev C++ has finished downloading. So we click on this folder, show folder. We left click on it. It is setting up everything. So let us wait as it sets out. So now we need to select the language. So to select the language, it is already English. So we maintain the English like that. Then we click OK. Then everything you need to click I agree. Then you click on next. So where you want to install it, maybe you can browse or you can just click on install. So it will take some time, go through all processes, then install the app. So let's wait while it's do the installation. It will take some time, so you have to wait for it to finish before you close it. So it is done. You just need to click on finish to finish all the processes. So right now you have the C++ on your desktop. This is very simple to do. Just follow the steps and go through all the processes, and it's easy to do. Make sure before you do, you are connected to the internet, because it's being downloaded through the internet, so you can connect it to your mobile hotspot or to a Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends. If you don't understand anything, you can drop it in the comment section and I will explain to you. Thank you.